Ever jumped into an electric car, felt that instant, silent shove into your seat? It's a brilliant feeling, isn't it? But that surge of power and the sheer heft of the car put a massive strain on one of the most overlooked parts of any vehicle: its tires. Many people think a tire is just a tire. You pick a set that fits your wheels and you're good to go. But with an electric vehicle, especially a big electric SUV, that's a costly mistake. The wrong rubber can slash your driving range, make your quiet cabin annoyingly loud, wear out alarmingly fast, hitting you in the wallet. It sneaks up on you quietly at first, then hits your safety and your bank balance. This isn't just for petrol heads or tech geeks, it's for anyone with an EV or thinking of one. The first and most significant difference is weight. An electric car's battery pack is incredibly heavy. Think of it as carrying a grand piano in your boot at all times. For example, a popular electric SUV can weigh 500 kilograms more than its petrol or diesel equivalent. That's like having 5 extra adults in the car permanently. All of that extra mass presses down directly onto the tires. This constant, immense pressure means the rubber has to be tougher. Tires for EVs are designed with a higher load index, a number on the sidewall that tells you how much weight it can safely support. They also have reinforced sidewalls to stop them from flexing too much under the strain, which helps maintain stability when cornering. Then there's the silent assassin of tire tread: instant torque. In a diesel SUV, power builds up gradually as the engine revs. You press the accelerator, and there's a moment before the car really starts to pull. In an EV, it's a different story altogether. The moment your foot touches the accelerator, 100% of the motor's torque is available instantly. This is what gives you that thrilling, neck-snapping acceleration from a standstill. But for your tires, it's like being subjected to a brutal, grinding force every time you pull away from the lights. This aggressive power delivery scrubs the tread off the tires much faster than the gentle buildup of a combustion engine. To combat this, EV tire manufacturers have developed special tread compounds. These are sophisticated rubber mixtures that are much tougher and more resistant to wear. One of the biggest anxieties for any EV owner is range. How far can I go on a single charge? A surprising amount of your battery's energy is used just to overcome the friction between your tires and the road. This is called rolling resistance. Imagine trying to push a car with flat tires. It's incredibly difficult because the rolling resistance is high. The same principle applies at a microscopic level when you're driving. Tires designed for low rolling resistance use special rubber compounds construction techniques that reduce friction and let the car roll more freely. For an EV, this is absolutely critical. A small reduction in rolling resistance can have a big impact on your total driving range. Tire manufacturers claim low rolling resistance tires can increase range by as much as 5%, 10%. On a car with a 400-kilometer range, that could mean an extra 20 kilometers, 40 kilometers from every single charge. Over a year, that's a lot more miles and less time charging. Diesel SUV tires are often designed for off-road grip durability, where rolling resistance is lower priority. When you look closer at an EV tire, you start to see the subtle but important differences in its very construction. It's not just about the rubber compound. The entire structure is re-engineered. Sidewalls are often much stiffer. That stiffness isn't just for carrying extra weight. It's for better handling. The heavy battery pack sits low in the car, giving EVs a low center of gravity. Tread design is a masterclass in compromise. An EV tire must balance many conflicting needs. Low rolling resistance to maximize range, excellent grip for braking and acceleration, toughness for instant torque, and quietness for a comfortable ride. Engineers use advanced computer modeling to craft complex tread patterns. You might see large, stable shoulder blocks for cornering, and specially shaped center grooves to evacuate water and minimize noise. Size and shape are chosen for efficiency. Many EVs use larger diameter wheels with relatively narrow tires. Keeping your EV's tires in prime condition doesn't require a workshop full of tools. It just takes a bit of regular attention. First and foremost, check your tire pressures religiously. Do it at least every 2 weeks, and always when the tires are cold. The correct pressure is written on a sticker inside the driver's door sill. Low pressure is the #1 enemy of range. It increases rolling resistance. It also causes the edges of the tire to wear out too fast. Overinflating can reduce grip and lead to a harsh, uncomfortable ride. Second, get your tires rotated. Swap tires around to different positions on the car. EVs have heavy batteries and instant torque. Front-wheel drive can wear the front tires faster. Rotate every 8,000 to 12,000 kilometers to even out wear. Third, become an inspector. Once a month, take 5 minutes to inspect each tire. Check tread depth. Use a 20-pence coin. If the outer band of the coin is visible, it's time for new tires. Look for cuts, cracks, bulges on the sidewalls. These are signs of internal damage and possible failure. Finally, drive smoothly. Constant hard acceleration is the fastest way to destroy tires. Gentle acceleration and progressive braking dramatically extend tire life. Be mindful of load. Extra weight stresses the tires. So, there you have it. The tires on your electric vehicle are far more than just black, round bits of rubber. They are highly specialized pieces of engineering, designed to cope with the immense weight, instant torque, the unique demands for silence and efficiency. A standard tire from a diesel SUV just isn't built for the job. It will wear out faster. It will reduce your driving range. It will make your quiet cabin a noisier place to be. Choosing the right tire, specifically one designed for an EV, is essential. Ensuring your safety, maximizing your range, saving you money in the long run. Do one simple thing today. Check your tire pressures. It's the easiest, most effective step for safer driving, longer range, and a healthier bank balance. Your car and your wallet will thank you for it.